Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh.
Hello friends, Duncan here. Today in this post I'd like to give you some feedback on two topics that I thought that you might be interested in. The first one is the Bulletpoint RubiGrid system that I'm using inside my 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Very flexible system, allows the attachment of up to 5 different devices inside. It's really very steady, also fits the Jeep perfectly, and wanted to give you a little bit more detail about that. Second thing is I'd like to give you a little bit of an overview of the vlogging setup that I have inside my Jeep using 2 video cameras and a little bit of a test of audio and also video quality. So I hope you like this. As always, please like and subscribe and let me know of any comments or other products that you would like to see me evaluate. Thanks and have a great day. So the first thing I'd like to tell you about is this Bulletpoint RubiGrid system, which is specifically designed for the 2022 Jeep JL Wrangler. There are 2 factory screws that when you remove a plastic trim piece, basically the RubiGrid system goes in, you screw it down using the 2 existing screws. The whole rack itself is made out of metal, very sturdy, very highly well made. Very impressed with the machining and the build quality of the system itself. It comes with multiple sliding brackets. You can get as many as you'd like. I think it would probably hold up to 5 of them if you wanted to do that. In my current configuration, I've got 3 of them. One of them is a phone holder. The second one is a GoPro mount, and it comes with basically the standard GoPro attachment point. And the third one on the arm is the iPad holder. And the iPad holder is great for using things like Gaia GPS or OnX Off-Road GPS apps. That using your iPad in the vehicle, it opens up the screen a little bit more. I will give you a comment that my Jeep actually has the standard Uconnect system that comes from Jeep, and there are Gaia and OnX Off-Road apps located in the vehicle, so you can also use that. This gives you a little bit more screen, a little bit more capability for off-roading. So overall, been very happy with it, very solid build quality, and would highly recommend it. One small point is that I also contacted them and got an additional mount that instead of using this phone holder, I actually have a mount where I can put my Garmin InReach Mini 2 there so that it has a clear view of the sky. This is great for route tracking, also sending emergency messages when you don't have a GPS, and sending emergency notifications. So that's the Bulletpoint RubiGrid system, so highly recommend that. The second thing for you today is the vlogging setup that I have here in my Jeep. So I'm actually using 2 GoPros at the current time. I'm using the GoPro that's mounted in the Bulletpoint RubiGrid system using the GoPro Media Mod and the back microphone for the audio that you're hearing today. Also using it for obviously video out front. There's not much going on at the current time, parked out in the field, but very stable. Used this also recently documenting some of the flooding conditions in Charleston, and that worked extremely well. The second GoPro that I'm using, which is primarily pointed to me, is an older GoPro that I'm using primarily for video. So using the GoPro windshield mount suction cup with its arm and a couple of attachment points to be able to get the proper angle. So that's my short review for you today of the Bulletpoint RubiGrid system, and also a little bit about my blogging setup that I'm using currently. So that is running very well. Would highly recommend it. As usual, please like and subscribe, and would welcome any comments that you might have. Thanks, and have a great day. Friends, I hope you liked this review today. I would like to say that I have purchased all of these products on my own. I've received no support. None of these products have been given to me. I've purchased them all on my own after research as products that fit my use the best. So I hope you find this information useful. Please like and subscribe, and always I appreciate any comments that you might have. Thanks, and have a great day.
Everybody singing, oh, I don't know what it is about you.